मैं वहां जाऊंगा।
I will go there. I will go there.
मुझे एक मौका दो।
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
वह खाना पका रही हैं।
She is cooking food. She is cooking food.
अपने भाई को जगाओ।
Walk up your brother. Walk up your brother.
समझने के लिए धन्यवाद।
Thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding.
मुझे परेशान मत करो।
Don't bother me. Don't bother me.
कोई खास बात।
Anything special? Anything special?
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब,
क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में खो जाएंगे।
टेबल लगा दो।
Set up the table. Set up the table.
बाल बना लो।
Comb here. Comb here.
सब कुछ ठीक है।
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
मेरे अनुसार।
According to me. According to me.
मेरी राय में।
In my opinion. In my opinion.
मैं डरा हुआ हूँ।
I am scared. I am scared.
क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
मैं तुमसे नफरत करता हूँ।
I hate you. I hate you.
मैं तैयार हूँ।
I am ready. I am ready.
इसे अब छोड़ दो।
Leave it now. Leave it now.
मैं उससे प्रेम करता हूँ।
I love him. I love him.
मुझे आप पर विश्वास है।
I trust you. I trust you.
मैं तुमको पसंद करता हूँ।
I like you. I like you.
मुझे आपकी याद आई।
I missed you. I missed you.
कृपया मुझे माफ कीजिए।
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
अपनों से बड़ों की इज्जत करो।
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
क्या यह सुरक्षित है?
Is it safe? Is it safe?
आप कमाल के हैं।
You are amazing. You are amazing.
तुमसे कल मिलेंगे।
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
इस तरफ देखो।
Look here. Look here.
घबराओ मत।
Don't panic. Don't panic.
मुझे यह वाला पसंद है।
I like this one. I like this one.
उसकी मदद करो।
Help him. Help him.
एक एक करके आओ।
Come one by one. Come one by one.
बस देखते रहो।
Just keep watching. Just keep watching.
वह बहुत शर्मिला है।
He is very shy. He is very shy.
मेरी तरफ मत देखो।
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
इसे बाहर ले आओ।
Bring it out. Bring it out.
सबको अंदर ले जाओ।
Take everyone inside. Take everyone inside.
मैं आपके साथ हूँ।
I am with you. I am with you.
मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
I agree with you. I agree with you.
तो क्या हुआ?
So what? So what?
यहाँ दोबारा मत आना।
Don't come back here. Don't come back here.
मुझे वापस कॉल करो।
Call me back. Call me back.
खाना लगा दो।
Put the food. Put the food.
हाथ मत मारो,
Don't wink. Don't wink.
इसे दिल पर मत लो,
Don't take this to heart. Don't take this to heart.
मुझे नहाने दो,
Let me take bath. Let me take bath.
नंगे पैर मत चलो,
Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot.
बाहर मत जाओ,
Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget like and share it. Thank you once again.